Hey everybody, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to deal with a topic that comes up from time to time in online marketing, and that is how can I tell if a affiliate marketing offer is legit or if it's a scam? Because let's just face it, there are an awful lot of scams out there, particularly on Facebook, but not limited to Facebook. But just the other day, I saw a scam on Facebook that was just the most outlandish scam I had ever seen. Started out innocently enough in a marketing group on Facebook for affiliate marketers, and this one person pretending to be a newbie asking for advice asked the question, what business can I start with that will pay me $30,000 a week? And I thought this might be some kid that just doesn't know any better. So I answered and I said, from my own experience, there are a lot of businesses out there that you can work up to that level. It's going to take time. It's going to take a lot of commitment. It's not something you're going to pull off in your first week for darn sure. But yeah, I don't know of any business where you can just get started and in your first week be making $30,000. And this guy answered me back and he said, I've got a business for you that will. And I knew right then and there that I was dealing with a scam artist, because no way a legitimate business is going to be paying you that kind of money in your first week, unless it's dealing with something like drugs, guns, international prostitution, or maybe some very uh, illegal cryptocurrency type thing. Because, I mean, that's just not possible. You don't start a business and then in your first week be raking in $30,000. I mean, do the math. That's $1.5 million a year. But still, I was a little curious. So I went back to this guy's Facebook profile, checked him out. A lot of red flags there. Tremendous red flags. First, no profile picture. Here was a guy that was claiming he could get me and anybody else started in $1 million plus business. He wasn't showing his face on his own Facebook profile. It was just a cheesy corporate logo, not a real profile picture, something that he could have just picked up off of Canva or any other place very easily. And the next red flag, he had videos on his Facebook profile, but they were all done with AI using, animated cartoon characters, nothing on there using his real face, his real voice, nothing there letting me know that I was dealing with a real human being. But a lot of red flags there that were telling me I might be dealing with somebody that's doing something highly illegal, because afraid to show his face, afraid to make his own videos without AI, and hyping up the starting salary. I mean, the starting income claim, $30,000 a week. That's one heck of an income claim right there. Possible, but highly unlikely. I'm in a business now, and I'm hoping to build it up to $30,000 a week. And I know what I have to do to get there. It's going to take me about 13,000 customers brought in, keep them happy, keep them coming back, and that will translate into roughly 30 grand a week. But I don't expect to get there overnight. It's something that's going to take a lot of commitment, a lot of work, and a little bit of time to build up to that level. Not something where I'm just going to start out and be making $1.5 million a year. No, that is hype. That is just scam and hype, my friends. So, leads me to answering a question: how can you tell whether a business opportunity that you see on Facebook or anywhere else is legit or is most likely a scam? And I've got 5 points, 5 criteria I'd like to share with you. First criteria, things to look out for in an honest business, an honest affiliate marketing business. Look at the history of that business. How many years has that business been in business? If it's been in business for less than 3 years, proceed with extreme caution. It could still be legit, but without much of a history behind it, it's kind of hard to tell. If it's been in business for less than 1 year, really be careful, because most scams, most businesses that are not ethical will tend to burn themselves out after about 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. If you get into a business that's been around for longer than 3 years, definitely longer than 5 years, then you're dealing with a business that looks like it's got a good, honest track record behind it. So check it out. First, see how many years it's been in business, and maybe even check it out with the Better Business Bureau if they have a listing for it. See if there's been any complaints. See if this company has a good history of doing honest, ethical business, or if it has been doing some shady things in their business career, in their business life. So yeah, first question, find out how long it's been in business. Preferably, I would say more than 5 years, and you've got a good likelihood of dealing with an honest business and not some scam. My second criteria, check and see who the owners are. Who runs it? Are the owners involved, honest business people that have a good, reputable history behind them? Or do the business owners have a history of being involved in one scam after another? And there are a lot of people out there like that, my friends. And just do a little bit of background checking, see who owns the business, who's running the business, and whether or not they have a history of being successful business people, or whether or not they just have a history of being involved in scams. Third criteria, does the company have an honest commission structure? Or do they promote a affiliate compensation structure that is just too good to be true? And I'm talking like 100% commissions, 200% commissions, 300% commissions. If you have a little bit of common sense, you'll know that commissions that high are just mathematically impossible. How can a business owner bring in a business partner and then pay that partner 100% of the profits and be able to stay in business? Probably can't do that. Just mathematically impossible. And how can a business owner bring in a partner and then pay them 200% of the profits? Again, mathematically impossible. That business is going to be going into bankruptcy at warp speed. So yeah, does the affiliate marketing company have an honest commission structure? And I would say anything from like 10% commissions on up to 80% commissions. Once you get up over 80%, I think things get a little dodgy. And when they start saying or claiming that they're paying 100 or 200 or 300% commissions, then you are dealing with a business that is all hype and no substance. And I would say for me, that would be a deal killer. So yeah, do they have an honest commission structure? If so, then I would say that might be a good business. My fourth criteria, do they pay recurring commissions? Because if it's something like a membership service that they're offering, or some sort of subscription service that they're offering, some sort of a program where customers are going to be paying month after month after month, you want to make sure that you're getting a cut of that action and not just being paid a one-time commission for the first month and then missing out on those other residual commissions coming in month after month after month after that. So yeah, check it out. Does the company pay recurring commissions? And if it's anything like a membership service or a subscription where the people are going to be paying for the service month after month after month, you should be getting a piece of that action too. So that's my fourth criteria. Do they pay recurring commissions? Because if they do, and you build up an affiliate offer that pays recurring commissions, you can be enjoying passive income after you build that sucker up and just being paid month after month. And that's a great place to be. It's where I like to be personally in my own online marketing business life. And my fifth criteria, is it a hype-free business that over-delivers and under-promises, or is it a business that's just built up on hype that over-promises and under-delivers? You know, like a business that claims that they're going to be paying you 30 grand a week. That's a lot of hype. Theoretically, a business like that could be done if you're prepared to be paying in like $500,000, $1 million of your own money to get that business built up to that point real fast. But I mean, highly, highly unlikely that any business is going to turn into that kind of a income generating machine in your first week. So if it's a business that just overhypes everything, like saying, oh man, join with me, you'll be making 30 grand a week guaranteed. Probably a scam. I would say more than likely a scam. If the hype is, we pay 300% commissions, probably a scam. I would stay away from it. You know how businesses like that stay in business? When they claim that they're paying like 100%, 200% commissions and higher, what they do is they tack on a one-time administrative fee. So they're not really being honest about the cost of getting into the business. I bid on a $20 business, supposedly a $20 business that paid 100% commissions. Found out right from the start what it was. It wasn't really a $20 business. It was a business that claimed to be a $20 business, but then before they'd let you in, they also made you pay a one-time $10 administrative fee. The claim was it was a $20 business that paid $20 commissions. The reality was it was really a $30 business, and they didn't pay 100% commissions. They were really only paying 66% commissions. So yeah, if it's all hype, no substance, if they tend to hype things up, in other words, lie about how they do their business, then I would say that's not an honest company. It's not a reputable company. I would stay away from it. So my 5 criteria, 5 things to look out for in a legit affiliate marketing company. How long has it been in business? Does it have a few years of history behind it? Or is it probably a fly-by-night? Who runs it? Are the owners honest business people? Or are they people that have been involved in scam after scam after scam? Does the company have an honest commission structure? Do they pay recurring commissions? And is the business hype-free? Do they over-deliver and under-promise? Or do they just hype everything the heck up, over-promise and under-deliver? If that's the case, I'd say stay away from it. So those are my 5 criteria. Yes, there are some scams out there on social media, not picking on Facebook, but I have seen a whopper, a few doozies on Facebook. But there are some definite scams out there to stay away from, but there are also a lot of good, honest opportunities out there that you can build a good future with. And if you want to take a look at what I do, you can go to my main affiliate link at www.ralphshomebiz.com, and I am putting that link in the description down below. Check it out, see if it's for you. So that's all for this video. Thank you for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Take care and have a great day. So long.